Three things that I am thankful for now that I'm working in Canada. Let's talk about that. Hi, my name is Nurse Fab. I'm a Filipino registered nurse here in Canada. Um, medyo malat po ako today. Pasensya na, nag-concert. But anyway, just a short backstory. Very pagod ako today kasi um, nag-work ako yesterday and then my emergency case and I needed to be there until like midnight or something. Then I had to go home and then go to work the next day. So like I just had 3-4 hours sleep. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo some of the things that I'm thankful for. So the first thing is like an 8-hour rule. Kapag nasa hospital ka and like for our work, which is like specialty or like procedures work, ako usually kasi Monday to Friday ang pasok ko. So, pag nagka-emergency case or na-recall, naka-on call ka, kapag may pasok ka kinabukasan, dapat may 8 hours of rest ka muna before ka papasok. So, for example, 2 a.m. ka na natapos or 3 a.m. ka na natapos sa case. So, hindi mo kailangan pumasok ng 7:30 or 7. Magka-count ka. For example, 3 a.m. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, pwedeng 11 a.m. ka pa pumasok. So, I'm very grateful for that kasi na-experience ko ng um, late na ako papasok tapos matutulog na lang ako sa work kasi may pasok ako ng 7 pa din next day. Na-experience ko na din sobrang busy. 24 hours akong nasa trabaho. So, yun, I'm very thankful na may mga ganong agreements, may mga ganong policy to parang syempre naman makapagpahinga, di ba? Reason number two, napapansin ko very protected ang mga breaks. I-encourage ka talagang i-take mo na yung break mo or ako nagagawa nito, mag-break ka na. They made parang priority na mabigyan ka ng break throughout your shift. And last but not the least, syempre yung mga benefits. Um, if you want me to make a video about like the different benefits that I have on my work, just comment down in the comment section below. May benefit ka na massage. Itong glasses ko from Specsavers. Uy, sponsor, charot. Um, from Specsavers siya. Na-claim ko siya through my benefits. Kasi mahal ang magpa-glasses dito. Ano pa ba? Mga Cairo, mga counseling, or like registered counselor sessions. Um, talagang binibigyan nila ng pondo. Kasi syempre, mahirap naman talagang ma-burn out and um, ma ma-take over na ng work ang life. So, kailangan papa-counsel or may therapist, ganun.